Being my own boss, making my own hours, I'm living the dream, right? Totally. That is, until I need to start filing taxes. So, is my career independence really worth all that extra paperwork and headache? And if it is, how do I file my freelance taxes? So the first thing you might want to consider is finding someone who knows a whole lot more than you do to help you out. Accountants are expensive, which is a bummer. But keep in mind that with their help, you'll be far more likely to save money, time, and frustration on your tax returns. If you're working a full-time job at a company, your taxes are normally automatically deducted on every paycheck throughout the year. As a freelancer, you're on your own. It's really up to you to keep track of two main things: your income and your deductions. Let's start with your income. If you're paid over $600 from a client, then they should supply you with a 1099 miscellaneous form. But keep in mind, even if they don't provide you the proper forms, you're still responsible for paying taxes on that income. According to the IRS, you may owe taxes if you made over $1,000 as a freelancer, depending on withholdings and how much you owe this year compared to last year. Well, how am I supposed to know how much I'm going to pay? You see what I mean about finding a good accountant? In general, you'll owe about 30% of your quarterly earnings. And your first payment of the year is due the same time as everyone else, April 15th. Your second payment, mid-June. Third payment, mid-September. And your final payment is due in the middle of January. But don't stress about paying the exact amount every quarter. The IRS is well aware that these are estimated tax payments. And of course, they have forms to help you figure that out too. But keep in mind that in general, if you do underpay, you will have to pay the remaining taxes when you file your annual tax return. And also, you might even incur some underpayment penalties. That's right, even though you filed your taxes all year, you'll still need to consolidate your tax information at the end of the year, just like everyone else. So then what's the advantage of being a freelance worker? Deductions. According to the IRS, freelancers can claim deductions on expenses that are ordinary and necessary for the operation of your business. That can include everything from office supplies, computer equipment, utilities, even your advertising and marketing. This is why keeping track of your business expenses and having a seasoned tax professional can be so valuable. Careful documentation and detailed bookkeeping can help you prove expenses that were vital to your business. Translation: save your receipts and save on your taxes. Big companies employ entire teams to make sure their employees are paying their fair share in taxes. So filing taxes as a freelancer definitely takes more time and effort because there's no team to help. It's just you. And it's up to you to decide if it's really worth it.